In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your iPad to Hire TV. So let's get started. Now, first check if your Hire TV supports AirPlay or not. Many newer Hire Smart TVs do, which makes mirroring very easy. But if your TV doesn't support AirPlay, don't worry, there's still a workaround. Now, for the case where your TV does support AirPlay, you want to make sure your iPad and your TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for screen mirroring to work. So once you're on your iPad, open the control center from the right top corner of your iPad and then tap on screen mirroring and look for your Hair TV listed here somewhere. You can wait a couple of seconds before it shows up. If it doesn't, try making sure that both your TV and iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If they are and it's still not showing up, that means your TV does not support AirPlay. But if it does show up, just go ahead and tap and select it and your screen will instantly mirror to your TV. And easy as that, that's done. Now, for the option of if on the chance you don't have AirPlay on your TV, what you're gonna need are adapters that'll connect your iPad to your TV. So depending on the model of your iPad, if you have your Lightning AV ports, if you have an older model of your iPad, this is the adapter you would need, Lightning AV to HDMI adapter. And if you have one of the newer iPad models, you would need USB-C to HDMI adapter. So whatever model you have, go ahead and purchase it, and then you want to go ahead and connect this adapter to your iPad, and then using an HDMI connect the adapter and your TV, and obviously making sure you have selected the correct HDMI input from your TV, whether it be HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or whatever. You can finally go ahead and select the right input, and then your iPad will instantly mirror to your TV, and that's it. Now, some troubleshoot options on the chance this also doesn't work or the AirPlay option hasn't been working. You want to make sure that again your iPad and TV are on the same Wi-Fi. You want to try restarting the TV, or perhaps try restarting your Wi-Fi on your iPad. Maybe update your TV firmware if possible, because most connection issues are just network related. But if it's connected, congratulations. And well, yeah, it's as simple as that to connect your iPad to your TV. So I hope this video helps you guys out, and that'll be for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.